LA153 quick connector. For airtightness test of electric vehicle vent valves, sealing media, non-corrosive gases. Reliable jaw locking mechanism. Applicable for multiple bore sizes. Customized version on request. Self-adjustment technology applicable for wide range of tolerance. Ease of operation. Simply actuate the lever by 90° downwards to achieve pressure-tight connections. Max permissible pressure 0.6 bars. Within the small space of 6.4, structure of clamping jaw can be used to the utmost limit.